Good morning, good afternoon to all the individuals across the country that are attending this. I hope you will get as much out of this webinar as I do in presenting it, because it's a topic that's very near and dear to my heart. So without further ado, let's get ready. So I would ask a clinical site, is your site inspection ready? So what do they need to know to be inspection ready? So what is BIMO? What is the BIMO inspection program? Well, it's a comprehensive program of on-site inspections and data audits by regulatory agencies. And in this instance, I'm going to be specific about the FDA. I do need for you to know that the notified bodies from the EU also come to the United States and inspect as well. However, they do not get down to the detailed level at clinical investigative sites. So what does the FDA inspect? Well, primarily to ensure the rights, safety, and welfare of human subjects, and to ensure data integrity of the data that's submitted to support new product approvals or label extensions. And then, of course, to monitor all aspects of the conduct and reporting of FDA-regulated research. What they would like to do is be able to recreate a study from womb to tomb, if you will, through their inspection process. So who do they inspect? They inspect, obviously, clinical investigators, also sponsors, contract research organizations, institutional review boards, and independent ethics committees / IECs.